Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate the YouTube TV app on your Samsung Smart TV, follow these step-by-step instructions for easy setup. Step 1. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV and press the Smart Hub button on your remote. Step 2. Navigate to the Apps section and search for YouTube TV in the Samsung App Store. Step 3. Download and install the YouTube TV app on your television. Step 4. Open the YouTube TV app once the installation is finished. You will see a screen displaying an activation code. Step 5. Using a computer or mobile device, open a web browser and go to youtube.com. Type activate or tv.youtube.com and start. Step 6. Sign in with your Google account that has an active YouTube TV subscription. Step 7. Enter the activation code shown on your TV screen into the appropriate field on the website. Step 8. Click Continue or Activate to link your Samsung Smart TV to your YouTube TV account. The app will refresh and you can start watching live TV and recorded content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.